What up y'all? Today I'm going to be showing you how to screen record on Mac. It's super simple, but I'm going to run through all the settings so you know exactly what everything does. So first we need to open QuickTime Player. On the bottom left, click Finder. Go to Applications, and then find and double click QuickTime Player. Once it's popped up, we can go to the upper left and click File, New Screen Recording. You'll see the QuickTime Player hotbar, but actually a quicker way to do this is to just press Shift, Command, and 5 on the keyboard, and it will pop up. So for screen recording, we can ignore these 3 on the left. Those are for screenshots. These middle 2 are for screen recording. So we have record entire screen, which obviously will record the entire screen. Then we have record selected portion. As you can see, it's showing a smaller window that we can drag around and adjust with the handles on the perimeter to fit wherever we'd like. Next are the options. So first off, save to wherever you want it saved as. Personally, I just leave it on desktop. Then we have the timer if you want a 5 or 10 second delay before recording starts. Next is your microphone. You have none. I have a USB mic plugged in, so that's showing up. Earbuds as external microphone, your iPhone microphone, or the MacBook's built-in microphone. Now you'll notice BlackHole too. That's for recording internal audio. I have that because you can't actually record internal audio on a Mac by itself. You need a tool like BlackHole. If you're interested, I'll leave a link to my guide on it in the description. It's basically useful for things like if you wanted to record yourself talking over a video and keep that video's audio, or if you wanted to record a Zoom call, you would need this. Otherwise, you would just hear yourself and not the other people in the call. So with this, you would be able to hear yourself and everyone else. Next are the options. Show floating thumbnail. I will explain what that is a little bit later when we get done with the example recording. Then we have remember last selection. That's if you want QuickTime Player to remember settings. So if you changed it from desktop or you changed the timer or the microphone, it will remember what you last selected. And then there's show mouse clicks. During the recording, when you click in on the mouse, a circle will form around it. It's good for me with tutorials. Not sure what other use cases it would have, but left click for black circle, right click for green circle. It's there if you want it. Then once we're done, click options again and hit record. It will start recording the selected portion of the screen since that's the option I selected. And then for audio, it will record based on what microphone you selected. Then once we're done recording, we go to the top and click this little recording button. And then as you see on the bottom right, that is the floating thumbnail. It will disappear after a few seconds, but you could click it and basically see the recording here. You can share it, put it in the trash, or hit done. Once you click done, the recording will pop up on our desktop because that's where we told QuickTime Player to save it to. If you didn't want to see that floating thumbnail with the options, then when you uncheck that, when you click done on the recording, it will just go straight to your desktop or wherever you told QuickTime Player to save it to. And that's it. That's how to screen record on Mac. If this helped you out, subscribe for more Mac tutorials. And that's about it. See ya.